where whales are made. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about an excellent cryptocurrency exchange called BloFin. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to copy trade here so that you are able to generate wealth from trading without actually trading in the cryptocurrency space. This is one of those advanced techniques that you can employ to build wealth in the cryptocurrency space, and I'm also going to be showing you how the entire exchange of BloFin works, so stay tuned, because if you do what I show you in this video, you can absolutely add this to your tool belt of wealth generation ideas in cryptocurrency. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. See, when you go to blofin.com and sign up for an account, you're going to see a screen that looks a little something like this. And while there are a lot of features on BloFin, and we'll get to all of those in just a minute, I want to first start out by talking about their copy trading. You see, for those of you that may not understand exactly how copy trading works, here's exactly what happens. You get a trader who signs up to be a master trader, and these are people that have been vetted and are very good at what they do. You can even come in here and you can see their track record of wins and losses, and you can see whether they're succeeding or not. Some of these copiers are being followed by hundreds of people, such as this guy who's being followed by 603 other people. What you're essentially able to do is come in here and click this copy button, and then you will actually be able to allocate funds that they are essentially managing. And those funds are copying the exact same trades that that trader is taking. You do that simply by coming here and clicking this button that says copy, and then you can put an investment in. You simply click this button called copy, come to fixed amount, and then set the amount of money that you are going to be putting into the copy trading. And then if they win, you win. If they lose, you lose. So choose wisely, but you also have a lot of data at your fingertips to tell whether or not it's a good idea to follow this individual. It's a very cool functionality and definitely something I think that is worth playing around with, because if you choose the right traders, then it gives you an excellent opportunity to generate some income in crypto. But that's, of course, not all BloFin has to offer. There's also, of course, the Earn tab over here, where you are able to lock up your cryptocurrency in staking and get some of the staking that you've been looking to do done. You can even lock up Bitcoin and get 3% APY on your Bitcoin when you lock it for 360 days, or 4% on your Ethereum when you lock it for 360 days as well. Think about that. You're holding onto the Bitcoin, you lock it for a year, and you're generating 3% yield on top of that. Very cool. It's the same principle we talk about putting our savings funds into a high yield savings account. You can almost put your Bitcoin into a high yield APR generating savings account, kind of, so make sure to check that feature out as well. Now, when we come on over to markets, that's where it gets very interesting, because BloFin has an absolute massive catalog of cryptocurrencies, as you can see here. There are literally hundreds of different cryptocurrencies that they have listed, so if you're looking for something, they've almost certainly got it. And those assets are all custodied by Fireblocks, as you can see right here. If you click that button on BloFin, it will bring you over to an article where it shows that BloFin does actually have all of the funds in an account that is being secured by Fireblocks. Fireblocks has secured over $1 trillion in transactions for the industry and ensures that your funds are safeu. Now, the real fun comes when you come over here and you click the spot button, and you are able to see the user interface here. You've got your trading chart here, which plugs directly into TradingView, which is extremely helpful, and you're even able to see all the trade history and the order books. This is pretty standard for cryptocurrency exchanges, but what I really like about BloFin is the ease of use. This is not a super complicated user interface, but it still has everything that you need, while even allowing you to bring in different things from TradingView, such as your chart symbols and changing the candlestick coloring, and even bringing in indicators. Yes, that's right. You can bring in all of your indicators from TradingView right here into BloFin, as you can see. It is fully integrated with TradingView. When you go to make a trade, you can choose between market, limit, and trigger, and of course, you can do your buys and your sells, or even enter into a short trade. When you come to futures, there's even more to do, because over here, you're actually able to trade on leverage. Please be very careful with this and always use a stop loss, because this is a form of debt, but if you are going to use leverage, I think BloFin is one of the best places to do so, and you can go all the way up to 150x leverage. Please don't go above 5x unless you really know what you're doing. Nevertheless, you can choose over here between cross and isolated, which you can read the difference here. On cross margin, all cross positions under the same margin asset share the same asset cross margin balance. In the event of a liquidation, your asset's full margin balance along with any remaining open positions under the asset may be forfeited. In isolated, you manage your risk of individual positions by restricting the amount of margin allocated to each. If the margin ratio of a position reached 100%, the position will be isolated. Margin can be added or removed to positions using this mode. I would recommend to always use isolated, because it is protecting your other holdings from one bad trade. So you'd set that to isolated. And last but not least, it's also good to come down here and check out the trading bots, which are fun to play around around with, you can check those out right here on the right-hand side. So that's BloFin. Wow, Jeb, that was a shorter exchange tutorial than normal. Well, here's the thing. It's a very powerful exchange built in a very simple way, and that's one of the things I really like about them is that they've managed to include all of the things that a good exchange needs while also ensuring great custody through Fireblocks, all while keeping the user interface deadly simple. It's not overly complicated. There's not a bunch of buttons that don't really need to be there. It is very much a tool that gives you everything you need while also ensuring that you don't have a bunch of things that you don't need cluttering up your screen, making it hard to focus on the trading that you're trying to do. So if you're trying to generate yield on your Bitcoin, or if you're trying to copy trade, or if you're trying to play with trading bots, or if you just want a good cryptocurrency exchange to do spot or even leverage trading on, then you found the right place. Make sure to go to BloFin with the link in the description box down below, and you'll be helping to support the channel. So thank you very much to BloFin for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content. I can't wait to see how you guys will continue to succeed here in the cryptocurrency space. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.